Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. I'm Emma, and we're so happy to have you here today.
Hello, friends. This is Tom. How are you all doing today?
Tom, how is your day going?
Honestly, pretty good. And a little busy. You know those days when everything happens at the same time?
Oh, yes. Those days feel very long.
Exactly. What about you, Emma? How's your day been?
It's been nice. I had coffee in the morning, checked some messages, and tried to stay positive, even when things got busy.
Coffee helps everything.
That's very true. Coffee is basically my best friend.
Now, let's check in with our friends listening today.
How are you doing?
How's your day going so far?
Is it a calm day?
Or one of those crazy busy days?
No matter how your day is going, we're really glad you're here with us.
And before we continue, we want to ask you for a small favor.
If you enjoy these conversations, please like this video. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to Listen and Learn English.
Also, leave a comment below. Your comments help us a lot and make us smile.
Yes, we actually read them.
All of them.
All right, now let's talk about today's topic.
Many people say English is hard.
Very hard.
Yes, but what if that's not true?
What if English is actually easy?
When you enjoy it.
That's the key.
In this episode, we're going to talk about why English feels difficult sometimes
And how learning can become easier and more natural.
when you enjoy the process.
No stress,
No pressure.
just real English and real life.
So stay with us.
Because we'll talk about why learning with stress makes English harder than it needs to be. Emma, after our introduction, I think we should talk about something very common.
You mean stress?
Exactly. Many people try to learn English under a lot of pressure.
Yes. They feel stressed about grammar, pronunciation, and mistakes.
Especially mistakes. Mistakes seem very scary to some people.
Yes. Some learners think one mistake means failure.
Like, English is watching and judging them.
English is not impressed today.
But learning with stress makes everything harder.
When you're stressed, your mind is tense.
And a tense mind doesn't learn well.
Exactly. You forget words, you freeze, and you lose confidence.
Even simple sentences disappear.
Yes, things you already know suddenly feel difficult
So why do people put so much pressure on themselves?
because they compare themselves to others.
Or they want to be perfect.
Yes, but perfection is not the goal.
So communication is the goal.
And communication doesn't need perfect English.
It just needs brave English.
I love that.
So if learning English feels hard,
It might not be English that's hard.
it might be the stress.
Let's talk about how enjoyment changes the way your brain learns. Tom, after talking about stress, I think it's time to talk about the opposite.
You mean enjoyment?
Exactly.
Yes. The magic ingredient.
Yes. When you enjoy learning, everything feels easier.
Even difficult things don't feel so heavy.
That's because your brain works differently when you enjoy something.
Really?
Yes. When you enjoy learning, your brain is relaxed.
Relaxed brain, happy brain.
Exactly. A relaxed brain remembers better.
So, enjoyment helps memory?
Yes, you remember words, sounds, and sentences more easily.
So the brain is like, oh, this is fun. I'll keep this.
That's a perfect example.
Enjoyment also helps focus.
Yes, when you like something, you pay attention without forcing yourself.
No timer, no stress.
Just curiosity.
So, learning English should feel less like school.
And more like entertainment.
Oh, I like that idea.
If learning English feels boring or stressful, it's okay to change the method.
You don't need to suffer to learn.
When you enjoy the process, English becomes easier naturally.
Emma, after talking about enjoyment, I think many learners are asking one big question.
What's that?
How can I make learning English fun for me?
And that's a great question.
Because what's fun for one person can be very boring for another person.
Exactly. There is no one perfect way to learn English.
Some people love movies.
Others love music.
Some enjoy stories and podcasts.
And some people even like games.
Yes, learning English while playing games sounds much better than homework.
Absolutely.
The key is to find your style.
Ask yourself simple questions.
Like what?
Do you like watching videos? Do you enjoy listening more than reading? Do you like short content or long stories?
So learning English becomes part of what you already enjoy.
Exactly. If you like cooking, watch cooking videos in English.
If you like music, listen to English songs.
If you enjoy stories, listen to simple English stories.
That feels natural, not forced.
Yes, enjoyment keeps you coming back.
And if you come back every day,
Learning becomes easier.
so don't copy other people's methods.
Create your own fun way. Tom, after talking about finding your fun way to learn, this stage is one of my favorites.
Let me guess. Learning English through daily life.
Exactly, because English doesn't need a special time or place.
So no long study sessions?
Nope, just simple English in normal life.
Like what?
For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can say, "Good morning, I'm tired, I need coffee."
Especially the coffee part.
Yes, very important English.
What about during the day?
When you're walking, you can think, "The weather is nice," or "It's very hot today."
That feels easy.
It is. When you use English in daily life, you don't feel pressure.
So English becomes a habit, not a lesson.
Exactly. You're not studying, you're just using it.
Using English while living life.
Perfectly said.
And small daily use adds up over time.
Yes, those small moments build confidence,
So the secret is not more time.
but more connection.
Emma, after talking about daily life, I think this is where many learners make a mistake.
What kind of mistake?
They try to do too much at once.
Yes, they want fast results.
Fluent English in 1 week.
If that was possible, everyone would do it.
But learning English doesn't work like that.
No. English becomes easy when you keep things simple.
So small goals are better than big plans.
Exactly. Instead of saying, I will study English for 2 hours, you can say, I will practice for 10 minutes.
10 minutes feels friendly.
Yes, 10 minutes feels possible, even on busy days.
And what should people do in those 10 minutes?
Something enjoyable. Listen to a short video, repeat a few sentences, or read something easy.
No pressure to finish everything.
Right. Finishing is not the goal.
Enjoying is the goal.
Exactly.
Small goals help you stay consistent.
And consistency makes English feel easier over time.
So instead of pushing harder,
Relax a little.
keep it simple.
Tom, after talking about small goals, there's one big fear many learners still have.
Let me guess. Speaking?
Yes, speaking English in front of others.
Ah, yes, the moment when the mind goes blank.
Exactly. Suddenly, all the words disappear.
Even hello feels difficult.
So true.
But speaking doesn't need to be perfect.
Not at all. Speaking is about communication, not perfection.
So mistakes are okay?
More than okay. Mistakes mean you're trying.
And trying means learning.
Exactly. Every mistake teaches your brain something new.
So how can people practice speaking without fear?
Start small. Speak to yourself.
To yourself.
Yes, describe what you're doing. Say simple sentences out loud.
No audience, no pressure.
Exactly. Then you can speak with a friend or leave a short comment in English.
Little by little, confidence grows.
Yes, confidence comes from use, not waiting.
So speak imperfectly.
And enjoy the process.
Emma, we've reached the final stage of our conversation.
Yes, and everything we talked about today comes down to one simple idea.
The enjoyment.
Exactly. When you enjoy learning, English feels easier
Less stress, more smiles.
and more progress without forcing it.
We talked about stress,
Finding a fun way to learn,
using English in daily life,
keeping things simple.
speaking without fear.
All of these work best when English becomes a habit you like.
Not a habit you run away from.
Exactly.
So don't try to change everything at once.
Just choose one small thing you enjoy.
A short video,
A song.
a simple conversation.
Do it every day, even for a few minutes.
When learning feels good, you come back naturally.
And when you come back,
English becomes easier.
remember this. English is not hard,
Learning with stress is hard.
but learning with enjoyment is easier than you think.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this conversation,
Please like the video
subscribe to Listen and Learn English.
and leave a comment below.
Tell us, what do you enjoy most when learning English?
We'd love to hear from you.
Keep learning,
Keep enjoying.
and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.